Hey there, how are you? A little tip and trick from Jasmine, still working on the book. I should be done with this chapter one. It's taken a while. One thing I wanted to show you as a tip, going back to our headers. Let's say we click one of the headers and want to quickly go back to where we started. We could click Control V. And this way, if you're reading something like a contract, you can very quickly click to a definition. Say that these chapters are not actual chapters in the book, but definitions within a document. You can quickly click to them, and then you can click Control V to get back to where you started from. The only warning I would give you, warning, is let's say you just typed something, you go click to your definition, and then you click Control V to get it gets rid of that word. And Control Z effectively is up here on the top left where you're undoing typing. It would be great if just this idea, there was some kind of an application where the Word document or the PDF document itself is where you start from somewhere, you go somewhere else, and then you want to go back exactly where you started from. And where you could have typed ABC, went elsewhere, went back, and it didn't get rid of ABC. The only way I can see X, Y, Z, you can get around that is if you Control S to save your document, or click top left here to save your document, and you can see the little shortcut as well, Control S. Same as the back arrow here is Control Z. So sometimes you have IntelliSense, I suppose, or a little assist to tell you what the keyboard shortcuts are. You need to save your work before going through these steps. Let's see. So save the work. Now I'm going to get to idioms and language, and then I'm going to click Control Z. You need to save here. I got rid of the work is the problem. But I really do like the idea of being able to jump through the document and being able to get back to the very place you started off with. So if somebody has a better approach, let me know. I mean, I would imagine all it's doing is comprehending that, and jumping from uh, chapter 13 to chapter 7. So if I click Control V, I would imagine it takes me to chapter 13 again. Control Z. And unfortunately, it doesn't. So I think there's like a little problem with the word application here and intent. But if anybody from Microsoft ever watches this or a developer watches this, and what they can give me is, let's say this is my document, and chapter 13 of the definition, or I want to get to it and get back to where I started to get back to this section. Let's say I start from here, and then I go to miscellaneous. I want to be able to get back to where I started, and it sort of takes me there, but not 100%. Okay, that's my tip for the day. I'm sorry it wasn't cleaner, but I hope you see potential in it. This is Jasmine. Until the next one.